What's up, Hidden Heroes? It's me today, and today we are going to be playing Loomian Legacy again. And I also want you guys to enter the giveaway. I'm feeling a little sick, so I didn't turn on the face cam, but I will later. Because still waiting for stuff to come in Route 7. Llama Trade Studio are working hard to make it. Landano is also working hard to make it. The new route. Look, I'll show you. Just messing around. Here. Go in there. Alright, let's go, guys. So it's right about here. Route 7. They're working hard to make it. I'm waiting so long to find it. And it's, I think, 9 more days. 9 more days to make it open. 9 more days. And I'm waiting super long. So, yeah. Pretty much waiting for a long time to do it. Also training a lot. Waiting for this to evolve. It'll take you hours, minutes, seconds. Still gonna take forever to make it evolve, but I'm going to make it evolve. I'm telling you, I'm gonna make it evolve. So, let's do this. Battle time. Okay. Loomian's roar. Destroy. Okay, let's do this, Loomian's roar. Let's do this. Okay, XP. He's getting some XP. Getting the XP. He's getting the XP. No. He's getting XP. Alright. My mouse is not working. Okay, there. Loomian's roar. Destroy your mundo. Okay, I turned on my camera. Kinda sick, so I'm wearing my pajamas. No. Oops. Alright, so let's go. This way. The campsite. I just want to see the kids here. Campsite. What's up, kids? Campsite. Can't walk. Oh, there. What's up, kids at the campsite? I hope we get a new badge for making this stuff. Oh my gosh. Woohoo, woohoo, woohoo. Alright guys, let's go trading. I'm gonna go trading. Loading, loading, it's loading. Okay, alright. Is there some? He's running away. He's running away. He does know you can climb this, right? Oh well. Where is he? Where? Whoa. Where's well, tacos? Ah! Oh, oh, never mind, never mind. I thought he had a good Loomian, but I guess I was wrong. So quiet here. Why isn't anyone here? I'm so confused. Where's everyone? Where is everyone? Dude, where's everyone? Where is the everyone? I think I'm lost, guys. Treasure chest. I found treasure chest. It does not work. Wait, what if I click it? Okay, it doesn't work. This is so boring. Can't find anyone to trade. I'm gonna see what I'm gonna trade. But wait. Guys, can you see this? This is Buddy. Buddy's playing this game. I say, Buddy is playing this game. Oh my gosh, you see, wait. It's not Buddy's. Yeah, I'm ready to trade this bunny person. Oh. I'm trying to find stuff. She might think I'm a noob because I'm showing her noob stuff. Yeah, she thought I was a noob, but I'm not. Play kid 3456. Who's that? Who's this person? Don't trip. Don't trip. Supports it. Okay, whatever. Anyways. Detective Point Red Color. I don't know. No. Just go away. What is he trading? Can't see. Can't see what he's trading. I can't see. Jumping, but I'm not that. Oh, he's not trading anything. There's Buddy in front of him. So should have come up with something believable. Oh, it's raining outside. Guys, it's raining outside. It's raining outside, guys. It's raining outside. Look. Over there it's raining. But I can't show you this. I'm gonna. It's raining! Okay, anyway. Sis. Who's this? Who this? Who this? Trading turkey? Why would anyone get a turkey? Oh wait, oops, I accidentally trading icicle. What's that? I don't have gleam. I don't have a gleam, sorry. Sorry, I accidentally traded you. I thought you didn't want a gleam. I thought you were trading a gleam. I'm just gonna send this guy. Trading icicle. Wait, who's this guy? Real quick. Oops. What is that? No, really quick. Okay. Let's trade this guy. Okay. Wait, I'm so confused right now. Is this guy the same icicle? Wait, icicle? I'm so confused. Alright, anyways. So, oh my gosh, this is so. Oh my gosh, he has so many gleams! Please trade me at least 2 gleams for this. 2 gleams, please. 2 gleams! Oh my gosh, he's like 1,000,000 gleams! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh! Oh my god! I'm ready. What's that? We're just trading on, please. Yeah. Okay, I'll trade you more. I know, it's not. Wait, oh. Wait, what? He's just trading you that? What's that? Can I see? Oh, he's trading me. Okay, that's good. And a wombat. No.